Welcome back to my channel, My Study Table. I'm Dr. Swati, and this is a request video from one of my students who's appearing for his end-term exam. So here goes. I hope it helps all. It's the exam season here in India, and I've just jotted down a couple of tips that may help you maximize your performance. So let's go through those tips. So these are 10 tips that can help you be exam prepared. So let's go through them. Let's begin with the first one, which is making a schedule. So let's begin with making a study schedule. Now, this is something which will help you be a lot more organized, and it will also help you manage your time a lot better. So there are certain pointers that you need to keep in mind before you begin making a study schedule for yourself. First one is set an achievable schedule. So something that sets a target but doesn't rush you too much. Else you might not do justice to whatever you are studying, and maybe in that process you might miss out on certain points or certain topics. So give an apt amount of time for each chapter or each topic or each subject. Also, it needs to be measurable. Now, it has to be measurable in terms of the number of chapters or the number of topics that you have been able to study in a particular day. Third is time oriented. So set a time to complete a chapter of a subject. A time target will help you maximize your productivity. Another pointer is that you could make a schedule for a period of, let's say, 2 or 3 days at one go. It lessens the time for any kind of modifications. Also make sure that you give yourself some breaks in between. This will help you collate whatever you have studied and also rejuvenate you for studying further. Now this is a sample schedule here that I have made for you to refer to while making your schedule. Customize your schedule based on your ongoing classes, study patterns, tuitions, etc. Okay, so this is a very generic one just to show you how you can make your own study schedule. So make sure after you've made your study schedule, you follow it and make minimal modifications to the same. The second tip is to declutter your study space. Decluttering will make learning better. So keep your study table clean, and at a time keep only those books that you need to refer to. The third one is to start early. This way you will be more confident and prepared for your examination. The fourth one is the abbreviation magic, as I like to call it. It's a tool to remember better, and I found this tool really helpful in improving my memory. So what we typically could do under this is, there are many topics in different chapters in our subjects which may have more than 5 or 6 points to remember, and sometimes remembering those get difficult. So you can make an abbreviation of your own using the first letter of each of these points, and you'll see that recalling these points get a lot more easy when you recall the abbreviation. Fifth one is to list down and clarify your queries. So make a list of questions and doubts while studying and get them clarified from your faculty. Sixth one is to maintain revisionary notes for every chapter so that you can read through them as a refresher before you continue with other chapters of the subject. Seventh is the choice of subjects every day. Now, when you're making the schedule, you would want to study 1 or 2 subjects per day. So choose the subjects based on comfort. Have a combination every day. For example, one tough subject and one easy subject. So a subject that you find difficult to study and a subject that is very easy to study or you enjoy studying. Balance it out well. Eighth, take optimal breaks to rejuvenate. So maybe do some yoga, meditation, breathing exercise before you start your day, or go for a walk or a jog in the evening or in the mornings. It will make you feel energetic and more receptive to what you plan to do for the entire day. Also, you can listen to some music and talk to your friends and feel a lot more refreshed. Ninth is to eat well and healthy, maybe lighter than the usual meal. It will make you feel more energetic. Keep hydrated and sleep well. A well-rested body and mind will help you concentrate, understand, and write your examinations much better. And finally, stick to the schedule. Don't keep making too many changes to it. Otherwise, you will be spending a lot of time in just modifying your schedule and won't be able to give in that much of time to study. Keep practicing. So especially if you have practical subjects where you have a lot of sums, then keep practicing them. And finally, stay calm, just be relaxed and give your best in the examination. So here's wishing all the students all the very best for their examinations. I'm sure you will do very well.